Hey guys, greetings from the outdoors. I am here with my dog Quincy to tell you about 3 great shows happening in Saskatoon this week. First up is the Au Pairs at Delish on September 28th. This trio has amazing vocal harmonies, and they are going to also be singing back up for Royal Wood on September 29th. If you're a Billy Joel fan, local musician Neil Curry is doing a tribute at the Basement on September 23rd. He's got 24 of Billy Joel's best hits, and he's put his own spin on them for a fun night of familiar tunes. And lastly, the ever boundary-pushing, totally inventive and different Peaches is playing Louise on September 24th. It's actually her first performance ever in Saskatoon, so get there and see her while you can.